Hi, I am Kelly Ginocchio, and I am one of the teachers for AP European History. I have been teaching AP European History and World History at Miramonte High School for the last 13 or 14 years. And I absolutely love teaching this course. It is, as an elective, a fantastic way to work with students who are truly motivated and excited to learn about history more in depth than our regular courses. So, who am I exactly? I am a teacher. I love teaching history, as I said. I also love soccer, and I'm a mom to three little bambinos. I've sailed around the world, silly fact. I'm a Giants fan, which is painful at the moment. And I love listening to audibles to just relax and unwind at the end of the day. Here are my people. And now let's talk about the course. So AP European History is going to really look at history from 1450 to up to 2001, and if not, oftentimes even past that. And the AP College Board basically has broken it up into four different periods. We'll look at the political, economic, and social developments throughout the course of that time in all of the various major European kingdoms and countries, as well as looking at art history, music history, and other various areas, especially in regard to race and nationality and ethnicity. So the textbook is something that all students are going to use extensively throughout the year. So hopefully you see this quite often. And we're going to really push the students to read closely throughout the year, especially in these first couple units. They're learning how to study the textbook in what I would consider a college method. So students are going to be asked to annotate in the margins, underline key terms, and process the information multiple times. This is the reason why we ask them to purchase the textbook, so that they can actually do this in a way that is comparable to what they'll experience in college. Then, as far as distance learning is concerned, we have both synchronous classes and asynchronous learning. When I meet with them in Zoom, they're going to be basically presented with lectures, asked to do note taking. We'll be doing several discussions, individual and small group projects. The students will present material to us at different points in time. And then, especially in the beginning, they'll be doing written assessments in our Zoom so that they can ask questions and be sure that they feel fully supported in those endeavors. In addition to that, we have asynchronous work, which really is going to consist of close reading of the textbook by McKay. They may prepare for a presentation or complete some small group project, but they'll be close reading or studying for tests primarily on their own. The students are going to be having frequent assessments. Informally, they'll have quizzes and discussion questions, but as far as formal assessments go, it's every 1.5 to 2.5 weeks that we have either a short or long essay question. Many of these essay questions are going to mirror what is asked of them to do on the AP exam in May, so that they're being prepared for the type of skills necessary to do well on that exam. In addition to that, the grading components, which are always important for us to understand, the coursework is 40% of their overall grade, quizzes are 5%, assessments are 40%, and then the final exam each semester will be 15% of their semester grade. This is obviously an AP class. It's an elective, but the students are signing up to really put in the hard work so that hopefully they're prepared and feel comfortable taking the AP exam in May. The AP College Board has created something called the AP Classroom. This is unfortunately not an app that is compatible with Canvas, so I'll be guiding them to this. There'll always be links to the AP Classroom in Canvas, but they'll be completing work in AP Classroom in order to prepare them for the AP exam and to review the material that we've just studied. These, the type of resources that are available to them in AP Classroom are multiple choice questions, short answer questions, long essay questions, and document-based questions. Some of these will be used for the purpose of grades in the class, and some will simply just be review, where there's no pressure, but they're understanding how to take the multiple choice questions. It's really challenging because they're given either a primary or secondary source, and then they're asked analytical questions relating to that source and that content. So the students really need to practice that throughout the year, and that's what we'll be using AP Classroom for. If we move back into the classroom, students will be given more opportunities in class to do paper and pencil multiple choice questions, but for the purpose of distance learning, it'll be all through AP Classroom. For the most part, that sums up AP European history and the student experience. Students are going to work really hard during the course of this year, and at times are going to be very stressed. Please reach out to me at any point if you have questions. The best way to reach me is via email, which is kginocchio@auhsd.org. You can email me through Canvas, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible. I really look forward to a great year. Thank you very much.